Ladies and gentlemen, back at it with another day. We're in the middle of the week. It's Wednesday, and we're about to get into it. And today was a better day, but it was a little crazy in the beginning, very choppy session, but it got better throughout the day. But we are going to start with our first trade, which is Nasdaq. Went in on Nasdaq all along, and this was around during the choppy time, and it went and hit my SL for a loss. Take a look. And my second one was also NQ as well. This was a short instead, but the result was the same with a loss. Check it out. And then things started to get better, and because I eventually got affected by the mindset of the choppy sessions, I decided to trade a little differently. So at this point, I had sized down, right? So I was doing half the contracts that I was doing for the first two trades, and I was then also going for half the TP that I go for. So usually I go for 20 points on Nasdaq, but this time I went for 10. So on my third trade with Nasdaq, I went in on a long, and I went for 10 points. Check it out. And then my fourth trade, I did the same thing with Nasdaq for a long, and I also went for 10 points. Take a look. And then with my fifth trade, I went in on Nasdaq as well, but this time for a short, and again with a gain for 10 points again. And so that's 3 wins, 3 win trades in a row. And then on my sixth trade, this time was crude oil. It was a short, and I went for 10 ticks. Check it out. And then on my seventh trade, this was not recorded because I was doing so many trades. I'm not used to doing so many trades, so I forgot that my recording was done and I needed to record the next screen. And anyways, this was around 11:45 a.m. Eastern, so it's not recorded, but I did go in for Nasdaq on a long, and I also made 10 points as well. So now we do the 8th and final trade, which was with Russell, and I went in for a long, and I went for 2 points. Check it out. And here is my balance. It's not a lot. It's basically like neutral. That's how I see it. And usually this would look bad, but I actually came down from 100 and I believe it was 120 dollars in losses, and I was able to erase it with all those small little moves. I did about 6 winning trades in a row after my first 2 losses, and I was able to bounce back, get all my money back for the day. So talk to you tomorrow. Hopefully it's a better day. Take care.